In this video I will show you how to create WhatsApp channel on Android. It is a simple method to create WhatsApp channel in easily. First of all, go to WhatsApp and open. After open the WhatsApp, then click on updates. Now click channels plus icon. Then click on create channel. Now click on continue. First type channel name. Then describe your channel. Now I type a description. Now create channel. Click on this button. Now my WhatsApp channel is created. Now click on WhatsApp channel. I upload WhatsApp profile picture. So go to right side and click on three dot. Click on channel info. And again click on three dot and edit. Click on camera icon and select gallery photo. For example, I upload this picture, so click on done and save change. Now I easily create WhatsApp channel and upload profile picture. You can see how I create WhatsApp channel in easily. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.